Hi, my name is Remy Rossi and I am a French multimedia artist living in Vientiane, Laos. In following we can see some animation I realize, so you can have an idea about what can I do or not for you. And I'm not the true Remy, by the way. Me, I look like that. If you want to contact the true Remy, thanks for watching.
Ok, coupé.
So, how was I?
Yeah, not that bad, huh?
I'm sure next time you can do better.